Let's take a look at the Beurer PO 45, your compact companion for monitoring oxygen levels and pulse anytime, anywhere. Inside the box you'll find your instructions for use, a belt pouch, 2 AAA batteries, a lanyard, and the PO 45 Pulse Oximeter. This handy little device gives you oxygen saturation, pulse rate, and perfusion index, all from a painless fingertip reading. Put the 2 AAA batteries in the back and it will switch on once you've pressed the on button at the front. Just insert your finger, relax, and make sure that your hand is over a table in case it drops off your finger that it doesn't break. And in a few seconds, your vital signs appear on the easy-to-read color display, complete with a graphic pulse wave. You can also adjust the display brightness and format. To save battery, the pulse oximeter switches off by itself without you needing to press a button. The lanyard in the box attaches to the little bag, where the pulse oximeter fits in perfectly. This is perfect for traveling. The PO 45 is small and sensitive. Remember to handle it with care and avoid dropping it. Beurer backs this medical grade device with a 5-year warranty and it's light enough to take anywhere.